Well, it's time to make some shutters for the windows after doing that siding. I'm going to use the old window trim. There's nothing wrong with it. Still good stuff. I'll use that and make window shutters. I think it'll work fine. We'll give it a shot. Gotta love a good miter saw, don't you? I set up a quick stop. I need to make these pieces right here, 5 3/8. So I'm gonna make 3 of them. Makes quick work. Oh, my guineas are here. Guinea, guinea. Guinea, guinea, guinea. I better go toss them some food. They like it. Okay, I turned my table saw sled upside down. I put a little stop on here. This is square with this, so all I got to do is bring them down. I'm going to use a spacer, put that in there, perfectly spaced. Bring this down. I'm going to put one that far up and then take that out. Everything will be nice and square, perfectly aligned, real simple to repeat, and I'll be able to do that on both sides. Put one in the middle and I'm done. Now I'm going to glue and screw. I have 1 1/4 screws, which should just not protrude, but it's okay if they do. I can grind them off a little. But I'm going to put some glue down first. Construction glue and a couple screws, and that'll be that. Real simple, but it'll look nice when it's done. So a little bit of glue. Okay, my spacer, square everything up. Alright, now I'll go ahead and put 2 in. Okay, these shutters are going to get painted then too. And yes, they're just fake, but they'll look nice. Looks good. We'll glue it and screw it again. Same thing over and over till I'm done. Okay, maybe you can get the idea of what this is going to look like. Somewhere about there. Once it's painted, it'll be ready to go on. There's my shutter. Simple, but hopefully it makes the house look nicer. A little sanding and painting, and that's what they look like. Don't look too bad. I'll let that paint dry and probably put them on the house tomorrow. Don't look too bad. I think you can see them all right. I still need to paint the screws, but I think they look pretty good. There you go, new shutters are on. Don't look too bad. Easy to make.